Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you guys how I did this quick shrimp fried rice. So I started off by boiling my rice, and as that was boiling, I decided to come wash up my shrimp and just get them ready for cooking. I cleaned them real good, cleaned up everything. If you're new on here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ada and I do everything motherhood, lifestyle, cooking, vlogs and all of that, cleaning and organization. So welcome here. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell as well so you don't miss my next upload. So here I am trying to clean out my shrimp and everything. And oh, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning back in. So this is the year of being consistent, the year of consistency and everything, being consistent and trying to build my channel. So yeah, welcome, and you'll be seeing me here more often. So let's go on this ride together. So now I'm squeezing in some fresh lemon juice, just to wash my shrimp a little bit more, just wash it real good as much as I can. And here we have the clean shrimp ready, and then our rice is ready, so we're going to go ahead and just strain the rice. And after that, I'm adding I'll definitely leave all the ingredients and everything I use in the description box, so you don't have to worry. I'm putting in my paprika, my Old Bay seasoning, my coriander, garlic powder and everything on there. So, and after that you want to go ahead and just mix it in properly, and this is the color. And then I have my oil, vegetable oil in my pot, and of course you're going to go ahead and pour in your shrimp and cook that for about 10 minutes. So I added the paprika so I can have more color to my food. Now I'm adding in my garlic paste, and then I'm adding in some parsley. If you have fresh parsley, that will work great, but I did not have I did not have a fresh parsley, so I just used this dried one. And after cooking the shrimp, you're just going to go ahead and take them out in a separate plate, and then added more garlic and ginger paste, fresh garlic and ginger paste. And I'm adding in some oyster sauce. I'm going to be adding some soy sauce, and I'm just adding more paprika for color and taste, and also add my Knorr's chicken seasoning. And now it's time for you to pour in your rice and mix everything together. This is very easy to cook. Like you can see, it's just so simple and easy to cook, but this rice tasted so good. It was just so amazing. So you're definitely going to love it. I mean, why not? So now I'm adding in that shrimp that I cooked. I'm just adding everything in, and you're just going to mix everything together. So you can see me adding in a little water. Let's just say this is about like 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and then you leave that to cook on low heat, and this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, please share with your friends and family so they can also join my channel and we can grow this channel together. I'll see you guys in my next video. Just look at that yumminess, look at that goodness. Oh my gosh, You guys need to try this out and let me know if you try it out. Tag me on Instagram. I will leave all my link in the description box. Tag me on Instagram and follow me on Instagram. Let's be friends on Instagram at Adaobajaka, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.